The assessor simply registers a dwelling on the online building control system. The assessor needs to input the method of construction to be used and the site details. They also need to name their scheme provider, and the system requires a password. The assessor needs to register the names and email addresses of all the stakeholders involved in compliance. 1 credit is needed to register a dwelling on the online building control system. The project has been given a project ID and password. And the assessor needs to choose a project from the administration page and confirm that it is the correct one. When registered, an email is sent to all the stakeholders informing them that they can use their project ID and password to view all the design information online. Each element of the design specification, technical links, and specific drawings can be viewed. We are currently making this section of the site more user-friendly. The email informs the builder that they need to use their project ID and password to download the customized fabric and fixed building compliance documents. The builder can only sign off on these compliance documents if the as constructed specification is equal to or better than the specification described in these documents. If it is better than the design specification, then the builder needs to provide proof of the improvement. The builder returns these signed off documents to the assessor, who summarise them in the as constructed section of the online building control system. We are currently upgrading this section of the site so that it is integrated with an approved SAP 2012 that will prove as constructed compliance. This upgrade will also have a facility that will automatically send emails to all the registered stakeholders when the fabric and fixed building compliance documents have been summarised. This will inform the stakeholders that a particular section of Part L has been completed and that the compliance documents can be viewed online using the project ID and password. When the last compliance documents have been received, the system sends an email to the registered stakeholders informing them they have 2 months from the date of the email to object to any of the information posted on a particular project. If there are no objections, then this information will be locked on the Foresight database and can be viewed by anyone in the future who has a project ID and password.